guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I groom, tint, and fill in my eyebrows, actually in the order of grooming, filling them in, and then tinting them. So I want to show you guys just the routine I do to take care of my eyebrows, whether I'm tinting them, I'm grooming them and wearing them natural, or filling them in for makeup. I want to show you the 3 things I do to my eyebrows whenever I just want them to look good, depending on any situation. So we zoom in. You can see my eyebrow is very grown out. My eyebrows are very grown out. I use this spoolie here. I have different spoolies. I have like the regular, let me see if I can find that. Regular spoolie, it looks like this. This is low-key the regular spoolie, which is just small. This one's dirty because I clearly use it. And then I have this spoolie that I like to use, which is like super like fluffy. As you can tell, it's very soft when I touch it. So yeah, I really like to use this when I'm cleaning up my brows. But I'm just gonna start off by brushing them up. Let me show you guys what I use. So here I have my tweezing kit, which actually came with my school kit, and soon I'll be doing a video on my school kit, so stay tuned. But this came with my school kit. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know that I recently started school in December to become an esthetician. I'm currently in school now, and I graduate in August, hopefully. Who God knows with this coronavirus situation. It comes with scissors for trimming. It comes with a flat top, angle top, pointed top, and very pointed top. This is more so for ingrown hairs. So the first thing I always do is I brush my brows up so I can see the shape. I brush them up first, and then I brush them over so that way I can see the, you know, because if it's like this, you can't really see the real shape if it's like all screwed up. I don't know what my shape is. You can kind of see my shape, but you can't like see it. So it's just brushing it into place. Anytime you pick up tweezers, you just want to tweeze them. Even if you're, even if you're at home, you should always sanitize your stuff, because you're still human, whether you're home or you're in a professional building, doesn't matter. Always sanitize your stuff. Tip. Coronavirus. I'm just gonna go, and I always start off by tweezing the bottom of my eyebrow first, because I don't know why, that's just me personal. Maybe everybody does that, I don't know. I can only speak for myself, and I always start at the bottom. Switching to these tweezers. Pretty much to me, it looks like, from what I can see, I'm like very close. You guys are very close. That's where I pinch myself. It looks like I got everything. I think that is all. So as you can see, this is my ungroomed eyebrow. You see underneath, you can see where I just took that extra hair. You can see that hair over there is still left. So this is my growth in 3 weeks from here, from underneath here, not the top. I have a bag of eyebrow razors. I will list this down below in the description. I got these off of Amazon. So now at this point, I don't brush my eyebrow up anymore, because to brush it up is just to get it from underneath and get it out of the down areas way. But now that we're going up, I brush it to the side. So you can see it's still in my shape, but nothing is up there and thick and full and in my way. So I brush it over. And then I just follow that line. And this part I ain't gonna talk, just see. I just go to that line and bring it down. So now I'm gonna do everything I already just told you guys, and I'm just gonna do it on the other eyebrow. You guys, I mean, that's really all I do. Now I'm just gonna go in with my razor and just groom the middle. So, no makeup at all. These are my final brows after being groomed. Now we're moving into how I actually fill my eyebrows in, and this is as far as makeup goes. Whenever I'm wearing makeup, this is the method that I choose, and I'm not going to show you guys more than one method. Like sometimes I occasionally may use a pomade, but 95% of the time I just go in with a pencil. And my favorite pencil for my eyebrows is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I use it in the color black because my hair is dyed black and my eyebrows are naturally dark on their own, as you can see. So when I use black, it doesn't look bad, which you'll see on your own. But yeah, I like to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color black. It just looks like I took both. Let me just put the tops on for aesthetic reasons. It is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's very, very small. It looks like the Anastasia brow pencil. I don't know which one because they have different ones that are different sizes. I don't know, but whatever the skinniest Anastasia brow pencil is, it mimics that, but this one is way cheaper and it works exactly the same. They work exactly the same. I've used both of them and I didn't see a difference. I like the Anastasia one just as much as I like the NYX one, so I'm definitely gonna go for the NYX one because it's cheaper. I'm just gonna show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. I just go in and fill in my sparse areas. So as you saw, you can still see through it. This is my sparse area. I'm good on the front, like exactly how people want the front of their eyebrow to blend out. Mine's both do that on their own. Like it starts off light and like whatever and goes up and it goes into something. So I never ever touch the front of my eyebrow. That's just a personal decision. I know some people that have eyebrows thicker than mine or just as thick as mine, they do fill in their front. I just choose not to because it can get really sharpy eyebrow very quick when you have thick eyebrows. So it's very scary. It can get real blocky and chunky in the front. You just gonna look crazy. That's my fiance. And boom, you have an eyebrow. So this eyebrow is completely done. And you can see that whether I don't have on any makeup right now at all, and it doesn't look too crazy at all. I only filled in, boom, and I'm gonna do it again on this eyebrow. I literally go in my light areas. And I just comb that through. And yeah, this is exactly how I do my eyebrows. Literally to the T. Exactly how I do my eyebrows. And sometimes I might go in with the pomade. And the only pomade that I like of choice is my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Because it is very deep. It is also, it does not fade no matter how much I sweat or you can throw a bucket of water on me, it does not go away. I'm going to remove this product now because we're going to do the last thing, which is me showing you guys how I tint my eyebrows. I'm just using the Neutrogena makeup wipe to remove this from my eyes. All that product is cleaned out of my eyebrows. So now I'm going to show you guys how I tint my eyebrows. I have sparse areas that you can see. So I'm going to show you guys the product that I use. I use this Beijing hair dye. And I'm not recommending that you do this, do things on your own terms. But this is the Beijing hair dye. I'll put a picture of the box because it's out the box, but I threw the box away because this is actually the exact thing I used to dye my hair black. It was supposed to be the color dark brown, but it came out like jet black. So I don't mind. I knew that was gonna happen because I had dyed some lock extensions and they wound up turning jet black after it's supposed to be saying dark brown. So when I realized that, I just got dark brown for my hair and I dyed my hair with it. So if it fades to brown, that's okay because my natural hair is brown. But it is a henna vegetable hair dye from what I know. I could be wrong, read it yourself. So I usually just take a very, very tiny amount. Like I want to say a pea size amount. I'm going to do it on camera so you guys can see. I'm just going to use, I'm not going to, don't want too much to come out. So you see that little tiny pea size amount? So I take that for both of my eyebrows. And then you just mix it with water. I have to go get water. So I mixed it up with water on the tray and now that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take this basic angle brush and I'm just gonna go in and basically fill my eyebrows in with the tint. It's getting darker. It's gonna get darker and darker. Like, you know how black hair dye does, but it's black. It's basically henna vegetable dye. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and fill my eyebrows in just like I would if I was doing my makeup, but it's just with tint instead. 2, I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes. I washed my eyebrows out. I left the product in for about, I wanna say it was probably exactly no more than 50 minutes, but I'm just gonna say 45. I left the product in for about 45 minutes and then I washed it out and then I went to dermaplane my skin. But I just literally, what I do to remove the product is I take my same little brush, my spoolie, and as I told you guys, this spoolie is very soft. Like super soft, so I just rub it on top of some antibacterial dial soap, like literally on a bar. I rub it on there like this until the brush suds up really good. I just take a little water, splash on my eyebrows to wet them, and I literally wash the product out by doing this through my eyebrows. So as you see, all of the dye, the tint is out of my eyebrows, and this is what I'm left with. And it doesn't look too harsh. It's not too bad. I really like it. I do this often and my eyebrows will look exactly like this for about, I don't want to say a week, but like maybe a little less than a week. And then after that, my eyebrow hairs stay this color for a few, like not a few months, but like a couple of months, my eyebrow hairs will stay this dark. My eyebrows are black. So this is what it looks like. I like the way my eyebrows look. I feel like they look really, really good. And I did all this at home. And yes, I am an esthetician, student esthetician. But I don't know, like I feel like if you can fill in your eyebrows, y'all seen it. If you can fill in your eyebrows, then you can tint your eyebrows. Personally, that's what I believe. And the hardest part of this whole entire thing for me would be to tweeze my eyebrows, because it's just like you really have to pay attention. So you can always go get your eyebrows done and tint them yourself. But I'm just, like I said, if you can fill in your eyebrows, then you can tint your eyebrows, because I literally use the same technique that I do to fill in my eyebrows to tint them. I did the same exact technique. And the product that I use is no more than $5, and they have it at Walgreens. It's not even just at local beauty supply stores, it's at a Walgreens, because I thought that me and Courtney was gonna have to go to a beauty supply store, because there's not a beauty supply store near our house. So I thought we were gonna have to go to a beauty supply store to get the product, and it's actually at Walgreens, which is really convenient if you are not near a beauty supply store. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I really, really recommend that you try the product that I use to tint my eyebrows, because it's a very good product, and I think it's vegan. I think it's vegan, so that would be nice as well. But yes, but okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.